All right, I'm gonna explain to you the payload, towing capacity, and curb weight here on my Toyota Tundra. This is a 2007 5.7 V8. But if you open your door and look to the immediate right, and you'll see all these stickers here, and it tells you almost anything you want to know, tire pressure and everything. So I'm gonna zoom in so that you can see what I see. So when I'm looking at this, it tells you your tire and locations, the front, the pressures, and it also say the combined weight of occupants and cargo should not exceed 1,475 pounds. And I'm going to explain that to you here in a minute. But if you look over here to the right, you can also see your GVWR. That's your gross vehicle weight rate. So the gross vehicle weight rate on my Toyota Tundra is 6,900 pounds. So the Tundra itself probably weigh right at 5,200 pounds. That's the curb weight. But I explained that to you so you could take the gross weight minus the curb weight, which would give you your payload rate. So let's look at this. This right here is showing the payload of 1,350 to 1,750. You got your towing capacity, and I know mine is right at 10,000 pounds for my Toyota Tundra. Then you get your miles per gallon, your fuel tank size, and your curb weight. And the payload capacity is usually refers to how much weight the truck can carry on both the passengers and cargo you have in the bed. And to calculate this, you can find the gross weight of your truck. That means the maximum weight that it can hold. Just say, for instance, we just give a simple example. Say 10,000, and your curb weight, we'll say the vehicle weight with nothing on it is 5,000. So you take 10,000 minus 5,000, and you get 5,000. So that would be your payload capacity. And you also have your towing capacity, which tells you how much the vehicle could tow. And I know mine is 10,000. So it can tow almost any RV you want. And you also, I talked to you about the curb weight. That's, like I said, it's just the weight, the vehicle weight. That includes your gas and your brake fluid and everything in the vehicle. So with nothing in it sitting there, that's your curb weight. So I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.